Keep going, stop. Good. All right, so we've got a 2012 Carrera S here. We're gonna be doing a little exhaust work. Got the Shark Werks, the 0139 it looks like. We're gonna be installing this. So this is a used part my buddy David got offline from Renlist. If you're interested in what we're going to be using today, that is everything. This isn't really going to be a how-to per se, but it's going to be how we did it and sort of our experience. But essentially it's replacing this back middle piece. There's mufflers on the sides of these Porsches, but there's also one in the middle, so it's going to replace this. He was just telling me that it was too loud for the guy beforehand who lived in California, was trying to go in Laguna Seca, so that'll be interesting. That'll be interesting to see how loud this thing really is. So there's the muffler. We got a pretty cold exhaust. We did a couple test revs.
So it was really cool. I reached out to Shark Werks, and I think his name's Alex Ross, one of the founders of Shark Werks, got back to me like within like 10 minutes, sending me the instructions, overnighted me a bunch of, or not a bunch, but the install kit, which has plugs for the valves.
Yeah.
You know, I bought it off Renlist, so it was used, but
he still hooked you up.
Yeah, he was. Yeah. He, you know, I was supporting the brand, and he supported his product, which was pretty cool. Okay.
So we're just loosening the header bolts. Probably just so we have more play when we're trying to finagle it in there. I assume that's the reason, at least.
I think I need it shorter. This is just too much.
Too much length for you?
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe that is not.
Does it say to remove them?
Remove the Torx bolt, the E12 Torx bolt A for each tip, and remove the tip. Looks like it's going into the muffler.
So the interesting thing about this exhaust, I will no longer be quad. I'll be a dual exhaust. Because it deletes this front muffler and mixes the gas with the side muffler, so the center tip won't work anymore.
It'll just be chilling there.
Uh-huh.
So you're just taking it, oh, okay.
That is some carbon buildup on those bad
Dude, you know what you should do? You should just give this to me, and I'll polish it for like 3 days. Okay. Holy shit, man. It's actually amazing.
It's only got 12,000 miles.
I know.
All right, so I'm supposed to remove these in whole, completely?
Remove the 3 12mm nuts on each side. I think you'd have to remove them because it's the whole muffler piece.
Hold that right there, yeah.
Here. That's it. There we go. You got it? Wait, push it. It's just squeezed.
Okay.
Got it?
There's no flange on there, so they remain on the car.
Yeah.
Perfect. And they're not going to help. The Valvetronic, so once you give it
No, my car doesn't have valves.
Oh.
No.
So once you give it more beans, the exhaust opens up.
Nope. That's how this works? You don't have a setting in there? Or do they open in sport mode maybe?
They open when you're over a certain RPM.
Yeah, and this is going to be
So that'll
open
be
all
open
yeah.
the whole time.
That's awesome.
On it to hold it in place,
Yeah.
and then start piecing it back together. And I wonder if there's a bolt we can reuse for that.
The one I
One
broke.
you broke.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Fuck.
Alright, and then should have done this while the fucking thing was off. Basically, there's a little tube hanging down. We want to put that cap on.
And that came off with the exhaust?
Yeah, so that is the vacuum line that. So we want to cap it so it doesn't. So I can hold it still. Yeah, that's good.
Is there another one?
Mm-hmm. But this one's different. So this one, I need. Not that. I need a little tube. Okay, that one is stuffed like a muff. You want to buy a Lexus?
Not really. Ignis wants to. He always talks about it.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Says how great they are. Why didn't she just trade it in? Wouldn't it be easier for taxes and everything?
No, because she is a salesperson, so she wants maximum price.
Okay.
Basically, I'm charged with selling it for her. That's what that means.
So I'm gonna do these guys.
Okay.
Are these in the middle? Did you already?
Yeah, they're positioned.
centered? quick update for you guys. I came here to help David and I broke a bolt on the exhaust. So this is what we were drilling out. We had to drill a hole because these pieces, this is actually like part of the cat. So it's not an actual like bolt that comes out. But so I broke this because I used the impact right away, and I should not have done that. I used the impact driver and I just went right to it. So we had to drill a hole all the way through here, and then we're gonna stick a bolt through there. So yeah, it's a little ghetto, and I feel really bad, buddy, but not much we can do at this point. This thing was much easier to put in than the old ones to take out. There's a lot less going on. We capped the 2 little vacuum lines, which just control the valves, and we're gonna tighten down this, and then don't forget we're gonna tighten down the headers as well because we need a little extra play. And then what's funny is this is only gonna have 1 muffler now, so it's still gonna have 2, or 1. It's gonna have 2 tips, but only one of them is gonna actually have exhaust coming out because of the pipe that we put in.
Does it look even? Looks like the inside one's tilted up a little bit.
I'm just gonna look from here. Yeah.
You know what? I guess the final adjustment should be had after we.
Feel it for air, I don't know. Dude! Alright, time for a test drive. Pretty clean inside.
Yeah, I gotta clean the that. I mean, it's got almost 13,000 miles on it.
So it sounds a lot louder to you right now?
Oh yeah. Throw your. It sounds like it does. So when you get over maybe 3,000 RPM is when the vacuum lines would open up that center.
Yeah, but right now
so
they're
now
always
it's just
open.
always.
So you get to hear that.
We'll do a little, just whatever cruise to get her up to temperature a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, it does. Pains me driving in the rain.
Well, it was already dirty.
Yeah.
So I was like,
I know, but all this salty runoff water.
yeah.
Happy paddles at any time.
That sounds great. I don't think that would be too loud for a racetrack, though. I don't see how it would be.
I don't think so.
I mean, I know it's going to be louder outside the back, but still. That was a quick 55.
A spirited 55 miles an hour.
PDK is just so nice.
It's a lovely.
It's like there's
transition.
nothing like it.
It's incredible. I love how quick it shifts. People always ask, why, you know, it's a sports car, why not?
Why not get a
With the
manual?
7-speed, yeah, 7-speed manual. And
Yeah.
If you've got the option of PDK, always go PDK.
But the manual's still really good. It's just that, like, if it doesn't interest you, you can't make fun of this.
Right,
you know?
right, definitely. That.
Yeah, I know you have my phone. So that's it, guys. Man, that thing sounds great. I think that's like the perfect mod. I think it's very inexpensive, under $1,000. Shark Werks. I'll put info in the description, but David made a good choice.